I cannot stress this enough. I just finished trading live with my Learn Plan Profit group in our entire live trading session. I really dedicated to reminding them that tomorrow is the CPI data report. It's 1 hour before the market opens. We're going to be live streaming it on our YouTube channel. The CPI data report, I just want to show you. Based off of previous CPI data reports, we've almost gotten rejected every single time that these reports are released. And we're always so close to the EMA line, just like we were today, just like we were last month, and just like we were the time before. And guess what happens almost every single time? We sell off if inflation has not peaked. And the White House just released a statement saying that they think that in June inflation, which is the report that will be released tomorrow, is higher than before. And this is now why we're seeing the market selling off, right? There's nothing wrong with day trading today. And again, this is coming from a day trader, right? Please, please, please learn the importance of being selective. I do not want to hear any excuse of your day trade turning into a swing trade, especially for tomorrow. The CPI data report gets released, and then it puts you in an even worse position. All I ever ask you to do is do not put yourself in a position in which you cannot tolerate. That's the worst thing that you can do. Let me explain to you why. By you putting yourself in a position that you can't tolerate, if the market does sell off, you end up losing an uncontrollable amount of money. It's only going to discourage you to ever do this again. Again, that is the position you're choosing to put yourself in. One of the things that I'm reminding our traders is I'm not selling my long-term positions. I'm keeping those. You know why? First off, my intention. My intention is not to sell them anytime soon. I don't need to. Second, my position size, meaning the dollar amount invested, is enough for me to take it seriously, but it's not so much that even if the market drops 5 or 10%, that I will be devastated. It will suck, and red days still suck, but I can tolerate it. It will not discourage me. What I ask of you, and I'm going to keep today's video super short. What I ask of you is whatever your position size is, calculate. If you were to lose 5 or 10%, what does that correlate on over to dollar amount? And ask yourself one simple question. Look at that figure. Can you tolerate it? If you can, then I think you answered the question for yourself, that you don't need to reduce your position size. The only other question you can ask is, do you have enough cash available that if the market does dip, that you can take advantage of it, right? Just plan B. The other thing is, if you can't tolerate it, then what are you going to do to prepare? Because your job is not to predict the future. That's impossible. Your job is to simply prepare. And if you already can see that it's going to be a tough pill for you to swallow if the market is selling off, then again, don't put yourself in a position that you cannot tolerate. That's really what we dedicated our live trading session today with our LPP team. I'm pumped for tomorrow. I'm really hoping that this is going to be a pivotal moment for the overall market. The market's been selling off for 7 months, but I just know to not get too excited. I've already redetermined and repositioned, my day trading shares and all of that. I'm being extremely selective today if I do choose to day trade. I'm being super, super selective in making sure I watch my position size and that I do not do anything that will make me think or feel irrational, especially leading up to tomorrow and how significant it is. Friendly reminder, I will be live streaming this 1 hour before the market opens, and it's free. It's going to be on YouTube. All you literally have to do is subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you get alerted when it is that I go live. That's all. You can drop a thumbs up on this video and YouTube will most likely update you and actually alert you as well. That being said, 1 hour before the market opens, it is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'm going to go live 1 hour and 15 minutes beforehand. So I want to make sure that even 15 minutes before the report is released, I can answer any questions. So again, if you've never tuned on into one of these live sessions, all you literally have to do is subscribe. I hope that this reminder of your position size and the importance of being selective during such a critical point just encourages you to only look out for yourself. And that's all I ever want. Look out for your future self, because at the end of the day, no one else ever will. No one else ever should, and nor can they. So please do your future self a favor. and make sure that you prepare today. So I hope that I earned your thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow for our live session, 1 hour and 15 minutes before the market opens, for that CPI data report, also known as the inflation report. And if you have any questions you would like to ask me, first link down below is our free Discord chat, and you can feel free to ask me any questions, especially if you're just looking to connect. Also, friendly reminder, if you guys are ready to join my LPP team, that's going to be that second link down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.